Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can change game settings to reduce motion sickness on Windows 10. Now, a lot of this is going to depend on the settings that are available within the game. So some games have an option to actually reduce motion sickness. One of those is the Talos Principle. Open the app and access its settings, and under graphics or game controls or just in the general settings area, look for anything that manages motion sickness and enable it. Now you can also manually reduce motion sickness in games that do not have a specific setting for it. So access your game settings and change the camera angle, set it to first person or front. Next, look for something called field of view. It's best to set it at 90 and start from there, and then reduce it if it still makes you sick. Check online what the best field of view setting is to reduce motion sickness for a particular game and then try that. Next, look for player speed and reduce it to the lowest possible setting. The slower the player walks, the less the motion is going to make you sick, but this is definitely going to take away from the gameplay. Another thing you should look for is view bobbing. It kind of makes walking feel more realistic, but it does contribute to the motion sickness, so turn it off if there's an option for that. And finally, you want to reduce the mouse sensitivity. This is going to be tricky because you want to keep the mouse sensitivity high enough to play the game, but not high enough that it makes you sick when you're just panning around in the game. Now, these are things that you can do within the game, but you should also pay close attention to how your game rig is set up, how comfortable you are when you're playing, how much light is in the room, and remember to take regular breaks when you're playing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.